This effect you're looking at, it only took a few minutes to make. Polishing your game doesn't have to take hours, not when you know your tools. Today, we're creating soft, drifting clouds of mushroom spores using Unity's particle system. And the setup is surprisingly simple. A quick size over lifetime curve, subtle noise, randomized spawn rate, and maybe a few bursts to give the mushrooms some personality. That's it. Fast polish, big atmosphere. I have a new empty scene open in Unity, and I right-click and go Effects, Particle System. Unity creates a new particle system, and I rename it to Spores. In the inspector, I reset the transform. I go down to the renderer module, and inside the material field, this determines what the individual particles look like. I can choose one of the existing materials. I'll go with default particle. I set the sorting layer here. Start lifetime will be random between two constants, 2 to 4 seconds. Start speed will be very slow, between 0.01 to 0.05 units per second. Start size is random between 0.05 and 0.1. I want tiny mushroom spores. Max particles 500. The shape from which the particles spawn will be a circle, since this is a 2D game. In the emission module, rate over time will be random between 10 and 20. The burst module allows you to emit a sudden batch of particles at specific times. Each burst has several parameters. Time, when the burst occurs in seconds after the particle system starts playing. Count, how many particles the burst emits at that time. Cycles, how many times the burst repeats within each loop. Interval, the spacing in seconds between each burst inside a cycle sequence. And probability, the chance that the burst will occur each time it's scheduled. I enable the noise module, which gives the particles chaotic movement. I like this because it looks like wind is playing with the light particles. Strength will be random between 0.1 and 0.4, and scroll speed is 0.1. This makes the turbulence look like it's flowing rather than staying static. In color over lifetime, I select the start color here. I set the start opacity to 0, fully transparent. I click here to create a new breakpoint with alpha 255, fully visible. The end breakpoint will be alpha 0, and I add another fully visible breakpoint right before it. Particles will start and end invisible, and they will go from light yellow to white over their lifetime. The shape from which they are emitted can also be a box. To better match the mushroom images I'll have later, I switch to a box and adjust the size and position. Maybe a rectangle, like this, is good. In size over lifetime, I click the size graph and choose one of the predefined curves. I can also move the handles around to create my own custom size curve. Particles start small, grow and shrink again. I'm happy with this, but feel free to keep tweaking and make the effect your own. Let's try putting them in a game. I go to Prefabs Particles folder and I drag my Spores particles in here, turning it into a reusable asset. I open the level 1 scene. With the particles folder open, I identify the game object associated with the mushroom I want to give spores to. I drag it over like this to nest it under the mushroom. I reset transform on the particle effect, switch to the move tool, and I move it higher to align it with the top of the mushroom. That should look like it's producing the spores. Let's add another one to this mushroom. I drag it over, reset transform, and I move it up. I can repeat this and add more particle effects into the scene. When I add a few more and I'm happy with it, I can go to the main menu scene. We have some mushrooms here as well, so I give them animated spores. In Level Manager, I make sure level 1 goes first, so I drag it up to the top. I press play, and now I have nice animated spores in the main menu. And when I click New Game, several mushrooms are producing subtle particle effects. And this is one of the ways you can add an extra polishing touch to your scenes. Click like if you found some value. If you want to learn more about particle effects, like rolling clouds of fog or glowing hot smoke, check out my other classes.